making progress with respect to Indian aviation, especially with this contract being signed?
I would say that under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Make in India has been one of the most prestigious programs. We have achieved success in different verticals, but one important vertical which was given a special push was aviation ecosystem. And likewise, in the last 10 years, there have been lot of factories, industries that have been set up in manufacturing equipment for aircrafts and aviation. But we are taking it to the next level today because we see a global opportunity. Now, many countries which were earlier manufacturing have suddenly got disrupted because of COVID. And India still sees a great potential there. So under the visionary leadership of our Prime Minister, we are calling in more and more people to India and set up their shop. And for local collaboration, we see that these Mahindra, Tata, they all have the capability of these high precision engineering systems to build them. And now Airbus and Mahindra coming together marks an important landmark decision. And this fuselage that for H-130 helicopter that they're doing is a very important helicopter with high demand. So if they start making that, that becomes the whole chunk of the aircraft is the fuselage itself. So imagine the kind of know-how, the expertise, the technology, the talent that is involved in making. So this is what India needs to grow in. And as you start building these systems, the know-how also improves, the expertise improves, and slowly you can actually start building your own aircraft also, which is actually the true dream of India today. And we feel that all these things coming together, we are going to achieve that in the coming days. $2 billion industry we have presently of manufacturing ecosystem in aviation. We want to make it $4 billion industry. For that, the MRO sector, manufacturing sector, everything we are doing proactive steps, step by step. And we have also cut down the IGST to 5%. Last year also. So that has also given a push for MRO industry. So likewise, the mission is there, the vision is also there, and the commitment from the ministry is to have more of these collaborations and bring in heavy equipment manufacturing in the country. We have achieved a lot of success in the last 10 years, but now we are going to go to the next level.